Part 1. Who should be on your mechanical commissioning team? Let's get started with planning of your mechanical commissioning activities. Planning and preparation are the most important aspects of commissioning and startup. Without a good plan, you will not be prepared to be successful at commissioning. The commissioning and startup phase of the project will take much longer without a good plan. Please start early in the project and put the required effort into developing a reliable and flexible mechanical commissioning plan. The first thing to establish is who needs to be part of your mechanical commissioning team. The roles can vary slightly depending on the project structure. For example, the role of your commissioning team may be to execute the commissioning and startup phase of the project. Alternatively, the role of your commissioning team may be to oversee commissioning activities of the contractor. In either structure, the roles are very similar. I will further describe the mechanical commissioning team structure. Reporting to the commissioning manager, the mechanical commissioning team is led by the mechanical commissioning lead. Mechanical commissioning lead is the primary point of contact for all mechanical commissioning aspects of the project and will coordinate all mechanical activities amongst the contractor, consultant, and owner. This is an important role, as the mechanical lead will ensure the mechanical portion of the project commissioning plan is being executed. The mechanical commissioning lead must be a great communicator and good at problem solving, as their primary role is to communicate with all project stakeholders and ensure actions are being taken towards project success. I have prepared the commissioning team roles and responsibilities document that was included in Module 1. Please refer to this document for a further description of the mechanical commissioning lead's role. Depending on the size of the project, the mechanical commissioning lead may require one or more mechanical commissioning engineers to support mechanical commissioning activities. The commissioning engineer will prepare reports, review deliverables, and assess test methodologies and evaluation of test results to ensure contract compliance. A detailed description of this role is also included in the Module 1 Roles and Responsibilities document. Again, depending on the size of the project, one or more mechanical technicians may be part of the mechanical commissioning team as well. Mechanical techs are the individuals in the field that are either executing the commissioning tasks or overseeing the contractor's commissioning activities. Younger techs are often paired with more senior techs since commissioning experience is highly valuable in this role. If you are just starting out in your commissioning career, this is a great place to start to experience the details of on-site commissioning. An important group to have on the commissioning team is the plant operators. These are the individuals that are responsible for the continued operation and maintenance of the new plant systems once the project is complete. Close coordination with the operations team is required during commissioning, and having them part of the commissioning team helps facilitate smooth integration of new facilities into the owner's systems and processes. Commissioning is also a great opportunity for operators to become familiar with the new systems prior to assuming full care, custody, and control. The owner will often designate an owner's representative to be part of the commissioning team. This is helpful as the individual will have knowledge of the owner's internal systems and can assist with integrating the new plant facilities into the owner's systems. The contractor will be part of the commissioning team. The contractor may be responsible for performing the commissioning activities, but also may be a participant to support the commissioning team's activities. The contractor will facilitate vendor involvement for commissioning of specific pieces of equipment. For example, when commissioning a specialized piece of equipment, you will want the vendor or manufacturer of the equipment on site during commissioning, as they are most knowledgeable of their equipment and can perform any initial checks and fine-tuning of the equipment before being integrated with other portions of the system. The engineering manager, construction manager, as well as key members of these groups are also part of the commissioning team, since the commissioning team will need to work closely with these other groups as systems are commissioned and design or installation issues are encountered. It is important to involve the commissioning team early in the project and to have continuity for the commissioning manager and commissioning lead positions. The commissioning team roles can be filled as the project progresses. For example, it is best if the commissioning manager role is filled during the design and procurement phase of the project, followed by the commissioning leads. As the project progresses through construction, the commissioning engineer and commissioning tech roles can be filled as required until the full complement of commissioning team members is established at the end of the construction phase. It is beneficial to the project, the owner, and the individuals involved if the commissioning roles are filled by individuals that will form part of the operating team once the project is complete. This way, the individuals gain valuable experience that the owner benefits from by having this knowledge transition to the operating team. The individuals benefit since they are secured a position once the project completes, and the project benefits since the individuals are less likely to leave for another position before the project completes. Next, we will review the documentation you will need to plan for commissioning.